I recently came across this mini blower fan from the AC unit of a car and thought of what to use it for, and I settled on using it as a turbine for a mini hydro generator, seeing that it has grooves that can catch water efficiently. To get started, I first need to make a generator that will work at low RPMs. So, to make the generator, I used the electric motor from a mixer. The motor runs on 240 volts, but I only needed the rotor. I went on to make some sort of platform on which the rotor would rotate from. That is, some sort of bearing that will help the rotor rotate easily. So I used these PVC pieces, stuck them together and used strong glue to hold them together. I went ahead to smoothen out the edges using a drill and a homemade DIY sanding disc. I cut the square PVC pieces into a triangular piece and then drilled a hole through the piece where the rotor would rotate from. I made a pair, one for the front and the other for the rear end of the rotor. And I went ahead to pass the rotors through the pieces that I made. I glued them onto a piece of wood. I then made another piece to hold the brushes onto the commutators, and then I brought two strong magnets to place on either sides of the rotor. I placed a flat PVC behind the magnets, added a triangular support for rigidity at the back of the PVC holding the magnets, and I proceeded to add more flat PVC on the back end of the generator to lift it up a bit. I then got a bigger board and glued the generator onto the board. I got the AC blower fan, attached it directly to the shaft of the generator, using a plier to ensure that the shaft of the generator passes through the turbine easily. I then proceeded to test it out. I turned a hose of water towards the turbine and it spins with ease. Now, let's know the amount of voltage we are getting. Hooking up a multimeter. We can see that it got up to 1 volt, 2 and 3 volts. I know it's not much, but this is just the beginning of the experiment, and I hope you'll come back for the rest. Please like and subscribe. Turn on your notifications to know when I drop the next one.